28th of August. High-based rubbish, but there is a tiny bit of structure out there towards the southwest. Not quite Kangaroo Valley, but more or less Western Yarra. Bit of a base trying to form there. The occasional CG, but that's more down in that range shaft on the left-hand side of this frame. It's almost constant thunder, but it's like 95% CC up in the cloud. Finally. Bit of a crawler there. Yes. And here comes the rain on cue. We're at Oak Flats at the moment. This storm is very, very slow moving. I suggest it's definitely not severe. There was a little one then. Ooh. Should have got that one. Okay, base area is just a bit more interesting now. Hopefully it'll give a fairly close bolt soon.
Bothered to put camera.
Oh! My finger's just off my frame. Could be lucky. Oh, over here. Just off my frame, I think.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to like and even subscribe, or click on the link to watch another video.